So let's take a look at a couple of things. First of all, right here, I hope that you typed in Monday in the first cell, and then you grab this corner right here with the little plus sign, and we're able to fill the days of the week this way. Okay, and then the same thing here with 350. If you put 350 in here, you can drag and see how it's telling me right there. It's going to put 350 in each of the cells. So those are a couple of tips there to make things go a little faster. You can use this copy and drag feature with all kinds of things like dates. Sometimes if you're repeating numbers, like if I did 25, 35, 45, then if I grab this, it should know. It might know that the next one's 55, it doesn't. So sometimes it takes Excel a little time to learn things, but if I do January, it will know that my next one is going to be February, March, April, May for the whole year. And it'll start over again if I get all the way to January again or to December. So those are some good tips to know. And then for our totals here, we don't want to add these up by hand. So there are a couple of different ways we can do this. One is we're going to put a formula in here. So we want to type equals, and then we can say, well, there's a couple ways to do it. One, I know that if I type sum, that's a formula in Excel. And so I can click on that, and then I can highlight those cells that I want to add up. And you see it pulled the cell numbers in there, the cell addresses. I type a close parentheses and enter, and it's supposed to add those up. There's something funny going on here. I know why Excel wasn't calculating. I had my formulas turned on. This will show me the formulas that are in the worksheet. I'll turn them off now. That looks a bit better. And so the number, you had 1400 in there, but we don't want it to, we don't want to type it in. We want to write it in. So the way I just showed you, we can do it that way. We can also do auto sum right there, and it automatically knows that we're trying to add up those numbers, and hit enter. And you'll see that your number 1400 was not correct. We want 1750. So same thing for here. So there's one other way I can do it. So we have auto sum, you can type the formula in, and we can also click this little insert function button here. This helps a lot. I want to do sum, and I'm going to double click on sum, and then we're going to put the cells in here for what we want to add up, like that. And it does the same thing. You'll notice this looks the same as this, just pulling different cell addresses.